Welcome back. You're still watching Business Watch, powered by Nedbank Eswatini. Thank you for staying with us. Today we're joined by insurance specialist from Nedbank Eswatini, Mcebo Masuku. We are discussing vehicle insurance. A very good afternoon, Mcebo. Welcome back. It's been a while, hey?
Thank you for having me.
All right. We're discussing a rather important topic today, vehicle insurance, car insurance, as some people may know it. How common is it, just before we get into the details, how common is it in Eswatini? Is it picking up? Are people more interested in paying car insurance?
Yes. I think it's been picking up over the few years, especially with the weather events, aboma hailstorm. So some people have seen Guti Oyati imoto yami icoshwale sangqotho bese ngikhanza ngathi ukuthi ngenda njani ngoba phela kulukhuni vele ku replace ukulungisa the whole body. So we've been seeing some increase in terms of our premiums, but nalabo nje lababolekako sebajwayele ukuthi manje uboleka imoto ebhange ngiyayifaka insurance yethu. So it's been an uplift kulamalanga.
Okay, so let's say car insurance or vehicle insurance, what are we necessarily speaking about? You know, we have different accidents, incidents, hijacking, hailstorm.
Yes.
Sitting vehicle insurance.
I think nje ngesilungu bathi car insurance kahle kahle cover unforeseen loss events. So that will be your collisions, your hailstorms like we mentioned, including car hijacking, but theft, attempted theft. Ma umuntu utawuza manje ku break in, so bayafastele noma selimatazi valo uyakukhona ukuclaimela lokho. Lengakhavike ngilento bathi bo lack of maintenance. Ma benje na engine yakho seya stall out of nowhere, aneke bese seyoclaim. It's just a maintenance issue. Lana sisuke cover the physical damage that can happen to a car in an unforeseen circumstance.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. So there's this mentality, Mcebo, you know, people don't want to pay car insurance because years go by without, you know, being involved in any accident or hijacking or a hailstorm.
Yes.
Then something bad happens when you stop paying.
Yes.
Like am I still covered under this particular insurance?
Well, principal insurance, it's no premiums, no cover. So you could be paying over the past 5 years, but a policy, car insurance, it goes year to year. So I cover for the year. When I monthly, but you are typically covered for the year, and then we renew after. So in the event, a renewal comes through, our premiums are condemned, an incident occurs. Lapho vele kusuke kudele cover, unfortunately, bese sakhona kusitakala. Ngiyekostwayisa ukuthi bantu banake lama premiums abo, because vele if ungabhadali for this type of service, aneke ukukhona kusitakala.
Okay.
Yes.
So how much does it cost? Does it depend on the car that I'm driving, driving experience? Before
Well, my insurers ayahlukana ukuthi wona ayibuka kanjani premium, but nje typically batawubuka le moto nale value yayo, babuke nale experience yalo muntu loshayelako. But ke sing Nedbank siyabambisana na SRIC, si agent yakhe kahle kahle uyasinikeza ama discounts for my clients ethu. So singiye ngithi nje mina vela sikubalele ngoba premium yakho neyifina lomunye eceleni. So kunama discounts nje for my Nedbank clients. Si mabe member yaSwazi Med uthola discount, mawufaka itracker nakhona kune discounts, mawuthenga imoto locally la ka NTT kune discounts. So kuyashiyana ngeke mabe vele ufuna sikukhotele, I always request for at least date of birth noma ID number, your license issue date, sibuka le experience yakho on the road, ukuthi how long have you been driving, sibuke nemoto yakho ukuthi yini, the full description, sibuke na le value yayo ukuthi ithini, and then we can get the quote from the insurer. Nalama discounts sibuke ukuthi are they applicable for you. Yes.
Okay. So in the event mhlambe Ndikanza involved in an accident ngiyabhekisa today, the following month nakhona sengishayisa inkomo, next month sengishayisa umvu or bangishayisa again, niyawabuka nema risks la kanjalo as Nedbank. Nabe kwenteka kanjalo ninda kanjani yakhona nikungisida ukuthi vele nikhona claim 3 occasions?
Yes, ukhona claim ngoba phela those type of events neke ukuthi my accidents ayendeka ibhadi le cover vele, that's when it actually comes in, because now sekungade ukuthi kudawuneka nini, so siyakhona ukuclaimela, not a problem. Insurance yethu ya process ama claims manake vele as ukwendeka lama incidences now bese bakubuka ukuthi how risky are you, ngoba phela bese so affecta lama premiums esiwacollectako from everyone else, because lama claims abhadala from the pool of premiums we collect. So mangabe wena vele ufaka le yakho lencane but upholo ukuclaima so tawulimatale le pool, so over time
inyusa ngala imali.
Yes, bangabe seseba adjust ke premium yakho bayinyuse, but ke ukuyashiyana. I think it's in the discretion yalo insurer.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, but ke ukuclaima sitawuclaima.
Definitely, but the claiming process in other insurance companies takes too long. Even nje bamfakala ukuthi ngifakile claim yami but imali sola ngitholi. How different is Nedbank to other companies?
I think lo kahle kakhulu ngathi as an agent siyakubambisa ma client yethu nje nami sine team yethu nami ngikhona siyakugijimisa sigijimise nawe ukuthi usayinele ama form. Ngithi ke makwendele accident, take pictures, report it to the police.
Okay.
Mabe khona lomnye involved, maybe senishayisene or society umuntu, try to get those details aloyo muntu, because we need that information masifaka le claim yethu. Sithi ke within 14 days sicela ube sesipotile ama documents lo nawo nyalo sinikede sitomikisa ku insurer, but vele le process kuyashiyana because it all depend, number one kuthi wena usilethela nini le information lesithi ngako, 2 nalama garage, le garage letakulungisela ukuthi how fast are they in terms of their turnaround times, availability of parts. Some parts so ekhanza ukuthi kufuneka odwe lekubo South Africa even emaveni, so that also plays a part, but sinele sikwendako vele siyazama lokugijimisa labo who are involved. But ngi-advise ukuthi mawufaka iclaim yakho uyokhotha, mayokhotha kulama garage akho ubozama kuba kuva ukuthi how quickly can they do the job for you, because ungekhanza ukuthi une line lelite, especially nje around Hailstorm. Lapho ke vele it was a lot of people who were affected, so vele bokhanza ukuthi kuyadelay, but mangabe vele it's just an accident, random accident, try to talk to your local garage lakho, because the good thing about SRC bese uyakubuta ukuthi which one do you prefer. Uyabona wena ke ayisengikhulumile nabantu bana ayituthangendela kahle ubani uthangendela kahle, then we direct to that way. So I can't say vele in a turnaround time ukuthi iba kanje. It depends on a lot of variables.
Okay.
Yes.
So there are scenarios lapho khona utawukhanza ukuthi it has happened to many people. A few friends of mine bake bangixoxela ukuthi in car parks uthi uyabuya emotweni yakho khanza mhlambe sibuko sesilimele khona umflo opake kabo sishayisile noma bakungconzile uvasa reverse. So in those instances nakhona do I get assistance? Do I need to take pictures? Ngiyakhona ngikutfola lisito even though ngadi ukuthi ngishayisa ngibani.
Ngishayisa ngibani, yes. No, sithi utalitfola nakhona nje ngithi ayibona idamage yakho nakhona uyakhona ukuyobhoda emaphoyiseni ukuthi yathi ngiyabuya ngikhanza imoto yami ilimele kanje bayakwendela ipolice report, uthathe ama pictures ezifaka iclaim yakho. I think lesikwendako Nedbank sithi mangikwendela insurance nje sikufakela what we call a zero excess, which is only available ka SRIC. Zero excess it's a waiver requirement for an excess. Typically maune car insurance baye bathi kuba ne what we call it deductible. Mangabe ufaka iclaim yakho there's a certain amount lekufuneka uyikhiphe before ba release imoto yakho after seyilungisiwe. But ke SRIC une option yokuthi ubhadale just a little bit extra ukuthi ba waive le requirements leyo, so that allows you ukuthi ungacabanga emakhekhe akho mawufaka iclaim. So those type of claims nje siyawafaka bawuconnect without any issues.
Okay.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
So most people love traveling and they're always outside the country.
Yes.
Ingabe sengivelela ingoti ke I'm in South Africa or I'm in Mozambique. Lusito ngiyalitfola yini khona?
Definitely. Kune towing company le sitako in terms of kulanza le moto lena. But I think the one big thing that people worry about kuthi na kusengishayisile sengisebusuku South Africa. Bese ngenda njani? Bese at that time maybe labanye abatawuthi ngavele some temporary accommodation. Siyakhona ukuyiclaimela leyo temporary accommodation because it's due to the accident. So there is that benefit under the policy yakho.
Okay.
So uyakhona kusitakala nale moto sidayilanza all the way from wherever it is, Mozambique or South Africa, ibuyela kaNgwane for repairs.
Okay.
Yes.
So is it only SADC countries ngikhona kungisita if lengoti whatever accident lendegile is around one of the SADC countries?
Yes, we cover mainly the SADC countries all the way because typically bantu don't drive their cars all the way up the continent. But le tindzawo letijwayelekile the way we normally travel to cover. Although vele siyacela lokuthi lama tracker afakwe over and above le benefited discount iyakusita ukuthi at least imoto yakho siyithole uma ngabe nabo things happen so kashane.
Okay, so what is needed, documents, what documents are needed for me to apply for a car insurance with Nedbank?
Siyaqala nge-code, ngithi ngiphe ID, your ID number, your license, the description of le moto yakho, nale value yayo. And then it's for the quotation. If you're happy with the quotation, then we'll complete my proposal forms, send your typical KYC, which would be your proof of income, proof of residence. Sikone go place a cover.
Okay,
yes,
as easy
and then
as that.
yes, and then again, depending on your payment options, motor winter installments or monthly, credit deposit. But kahle kakhulu vele mata ibhadala yonke. Nakithi nje siyajabula ngoba ema-clients ethu siya-offerisha le option ye-loan, ye-insurance loan, which will be payable over the 12 months of the policy. So once you renew your policy, you can come back, see when they're fulfilling your insurance loan.
Okay, so lastly, Jay, before I let you go, how do your clients get a hold of you when they're interested in car insurance?
Nedbank is sorting on social media, but alternatively, ungasithinta ka helpdesk at nedbank.co.za, nama usishayele 3278 1999. Insurance department corner, they'll redirect you.
All right, thanks so much, Mcebo. Well, there you have it, vehicle insurance. But for more information, do contact them at helpdesk@nedbank.co.za Lapa Eswatini, Nedbank Eswatini, or visit any of their branches countrywide. But Akona Google Seat. Let's go for a break. We'll return shortly.